So the reason why I do what I do is there's not many professions that you can get into where the outcome of the meeting is beneficial for both people. We're in a win-win situation. We help them with planning. They can protect their families, plan for their futures, and I get compensated to do that work for them. So it's very rewarding, very rewarding. What makes me different than other advisors? That's a really good question. I think everyone has a unique background, experience, values, right? So from that perspective, I am unique in the way that I view things, the way that I do things. So when clients come to us, we really do our best to work very hard to get to know them. As we get to know them, then it allows us to understand them a little bit better. So when we work on building a plan, we want that plan to be as collaborative as possible. We want them to feel like we are accurately capturing the things that are most important to them. And then from there, talking about what are the tools and what are the ways that we can move forward with you as a partner to work collaboratively with you to do that. We're very educational in nature. We want to make sure our clients understand the tools that they're using, the values that they bring, and not everyone likes every single tool. So if they say, hey, I don't want to do it that way, we come up with another solution for them. So that, again, that collaborative nature. And I think that's what really sets us apart. The thing that I wish everyone knew about money is the power of compounding interest, the way that it can either work for you or work against you, right? That time horizon of money with compounding interest. And if it's working against you, then you're not using the tool appropriately. Money is a tool and it should be used appropriately, which really ties back into a budgeting exercise and helping someone understand, how can I live within my means? That's actually going to give them more financial freedom to do the things that they want to do if they can understand and work through a budget. Rhino Boot Camp could not have come at a better time for me. And there are some personal reasons why. So it's been a tough year to this point. So I said goodbye to my dad at the beginning of August. My wife's stepdad had a stroke. In taking just a lot of time out of the business. And I view energy like a glass of water, right? So I'm giving to my family, I'm giving to my wife's family, I'm giving to my clients, I'm giving to my team, and I have not done a good job of carving out time to allow my glass to be refilled. So Rhino Boot Camp has allowed me to step away and out of the business to really spend some time on me, to work on me, to fill my cup, to establish some new relationships with some other really great advisors and great people. And it has done all of those things. I am a better person, I'm a better advisor, I'm a better friend, husband, father for coming to this event and just going through this experience with what I'm gonna call a band of brothers now. And the cold plunge.
That's right, great work.
Thank you.